Yeah, and to Apollos Edwards, his mom, Dawnette, always supporting. She must be proud of his accomplishments today.
The national junior record here, 50.92 seconds, set by Sandy Richards back in 1987. That's a 39-year-old record, one of the long-standing records in the books.
This race, under 18, not having the under 18 fastest girl in the country, Shamika McLean, her 52.22, fastest by a U18 girl in Jamaica this year.
We'll get to see her
shortly. She'll be contesting the under 20 section in a short while.
Yeah.
An outstanding competitor there from Fogar Road High, McLean.
Yeah. Fastest girl this year in the country.
I'm expecting lots of PBs from this one. They're at the age where it just keeps getting better and better.
Set. Away they go then. Jadish Mirage of St. Andrew Technical, Malia Grant Immaculate, Jadine Pattison, Alphonsus Davis, Tashona Brown from Alphonsus Davis, Madison Campbell, Homewood Technical down the backstretch, Courtney Eccleston, William Nib, Kalia Satchwell, Edwin Allen, and Chantilly Brown of Clarendon College. They hit the 200-meter marker. Madison Campbell of Homewood Technical going well on her outside, Kalila Satchwell of Edwin Allen, Chantilly Brown of Clarendon College just dropping out of contention just a bit off the top bend. Madison Campbell of Homewood Technical, Kalila Satchwell of Edwin Allen is trying to come on. So too Courtney Eccleston from William Nib. But Madison Campbell of Homewood Technical is away and is away for good. There's a scramble for second and third. And the runner-up spot goes to William Nib's Courtney Eccleston. 52.26 seconds, the winning time for Madison Campbell of Homewood Technical. 56.02 for the runner-up. Courtney Eccleston from William Nib. Third in 56.42 goes to Kalila Satchwell of Edwin Allen.
Campbell, brave run from her. She took charge of the race early and ended up with a personal best. She's in the middle of the track in lane 5 here in the Homewood Technical colors, maroon and gold there. And Satchel from Edwin Allen was running well up on this point. Still, she's in second place, but it's all about Madison Campbell. She came in with the fastest time this season, 54.86 seconds, lowered her personal best to 54.24 seconds to win this one. And Madison Campbell, your under 18 champion, very strong finish, strong all-round run, leaning forward with the stride, just holding her composure well. Brilliant performance for Campbell of Homewood Technical.
Yeah, good running from her. She executed the race to her own perfection, a personal best to boot at the end. Good first 100 meters, but then took over from 300 meter onwards. Satchel provided the perfect marker for her to chase.
So Madison Campbell in that new lifetime best of 54.26 seconds. Courtney Eccleston second, 56.02. Kalila Satchel in third, 56.42. Under 18 girls 400 coming to its conclusion.
We go to the track for event number 14,
the under 18 boys equivalent will be coming up next.